Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. I've been playing around with making picture frames lately, and today I'm going to show you how I made this one for a very special piece of art. This is pallet wood, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Now stick around to the end of the video for the special piece of artwork that's going to go in this frame. Please consider liking and subscribing. Leave a comment. All that stuff helps me if you think I've earned it. I really appreciate your feedback and suggestions, and let's get into this build. Alright guys, so here it is, my pallet wood picture frame. As you can see, I put the 45-degree chamfer, 45-degree chamfer on the inside and outside just to give it a little detail. And some white oak splines, that's just the splines that I had available for the jig I had set up. And so this special piece of artwork here is something that my dad did in 2009. I don't know if you can see his wood burned signature in the date '09 right there. My dad worked for General Motors for a really long time, and he dabbled in woodworking while he worked there. And then after he retired, he got into woodworking a lot more, and he enjoyed wood burning designs on and then painting it in. And this is one of the few things that I still have left. So I thought it just deserved a special frame. I didn't put any hardware on the back yet because I'm not sure where I'm going to hang it or how I'm going to hang it. So, but you guys have seen a million videos on how to put picture frame hardware on. And also, I want to talk about the finish. I used David Picciuto's finish that he's been selling, the all natural finish. And guys, he doesn't know I'm saying this, and I'm not sponsored or anything. Not that he would have a sponsor like me anyway or anything, but this stuff is buttery smooth. If you guys are a Patreon to his, you can buy his finish. I'll put a link down below to his Patreon. I think you have to be a Patreon member to get that. So I will do that. So thanks for following along, and please consider liking and subscribing, and give me a follow if you guys think that I deserve it. And I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Now, let's see some beauty shots.